What's wrong with this picture? You guessed it. The stick is in the wrong hole. That's better. So, the stick being at a 90-degree angle is very important when propping up your lid. If it isn't in the right hole, the chances are that it's unsafe. The reason why they have two holes is because of the big main stick for the 90-degree angle and the half stick. It allows for volume purposes, and it's also aesthetic. Some people prefer the open lid in their home. Some people prefer the half lid. And they're both beautiful either way. A lot of times too, when you have accompanists sing, you lower the lid to half stick, so that way it conceals the volume inside the cabinet. And also, some people ask how to open a lid properly. I'm going to show you. It's very easy. First step is to open the half lid. Grab this part with your palm. You're making sure that you're grabbing both lids. Lift up, pull the stick, 90-degree angle like we talked about, and there you have it.